Welcome to looking at the banking column and how that works with a cash receipts journal. For this we've got the cash receipts journal for Perfect Paint, and we've got it all filled out except the other column here and the capital row there. So let's get started. If you'd like to right click inside your one to look at your cash receipts journal, worksheet object and open. Great, this will open it up as a worksheet. You might like to recite your one so you can see everything together. Right, we're looking at the banking column. You can see here that I've left you some little notes, but you can follow that through with me. So the first part we're going to look at is on the date the 29th. I'll just resize this so we can see these figures. Great, on the 29th. So on the 29th we've got sales, cash register tape, $272, and we also have fees come through the cash register tape of $880. So all that money comes into the cash register tape for a business in that one day, and it all has to be put into the bank account. So in the bank, nothing goes there because we don't bank that separately. We're going to add these two separate. So the amount we expect to see in the bank is 1152. If you check over here, you'll see it's been made as a deposit in the bank statement. On the same day, we've got an FPOS amount for sales and an FPOS for fees. So those two will add together as well. What happens with FPOS is at the end of the day, all the money that's come into the business from all the customers gets transferred from all the banks into this bank account. So we'll be looking for a figure of 4,857 over here in the bank statement, and you can see it's there. Note that this one came on the same day, the 29th, whereas this one here, 1152, came the day after. That may have been because of delay of the person taking the money out of the cash register and taking it to the bank, or it might be that the bank records the money into your bank account the following day from when it was put in there. They don't make those funds immediately available. The next one is the interest. Now the interest tells us it comes from the bank statement. So if you go over to the bank statement here, you'll see that interest, and on the 29th is $22. Because it doesn't go through the cash register, it won't go in the unbanked column. So it goes straight into the banked column. We've formatted this one nicely automatically to give you that. And it appeared in the other as well. Great. Well, you've got the 30th to do, and the 30th I'll just take you through it, but there is some others at the bottom of the page for you to have a go at. So we've got the sales figure, again two cash receipts ones, we'll add those two together. Two FPOS amounts, we'll add those two together. Good sales day on the 30th. And there's a capital from the bank statement. Looking over the capital, we've got a transfer from the owner's savings account of $5,000. Again, not through the unbanked column, because it's unlikely that the owner puts $5,000 cash into the cash register, which is basically that unbanked column. Alright, we'll just enlarge that a little bit so we can see it. Excellent. So we have got those two there, don't balance. They should do. We'll just do a little check. We'll find out how much we're out by. So we're out by $272. So we'll go back and find it, and it's obviously this figure here. And that's because that should say G3, not G4. Notice that when I filled down from there down, and when I filled across, it only took it from the 4. So you need to make sure that goes right to the top. So it now says G3, fill that one across, and you'll see that we balance. Awesome. Good luck. You've got the answers to these at the other bottom tabs, but after Perfect Paint, you've got Upford, Koyo, Sophie and Jordan all to have a go at. Some of them have got the bank figure, some of you're doing the lot. Good luck with those. Don't forget to check the answers when you're finished.